My name is Harjot Singh and I am from Lark Engineering Company, India. We expertise in design and manufacturing of the feed machines in poultry, cattle and aqua feed. And we are into this feed machinery manufacturing since the year 1994. And since then we have come a long way, and at present I think we have more than 4,000 installations in India and abroad. And this year in Poultry India, our main objective to participate mainly that as an Indian manufacturer, Lark Engineering is the first company that introduces a circular design octagon. Previously, we have the octagon design cooler, and as an Indian manufacturer, we are the first company in India to produce a circular design cooler in the feed industry. Well, this is a great and a proud moment for us to introduce this round cooler, and this in this today industries where the competition is very high, the prices of the raw material, the scarcity of the material, availability of the raw material, there are so many challenges in the feed industry. And this year the last year we mainly work on the major three challenges. The one is the to provide the optimum solutions with the best output, best quality, with minimum breakdowns, with minimum energy consumption. The second one is the to provide the optimum solutions for the good and hygienic feed. And the third one is a farmer, as there is a very less availability of the raw materials, a farmer should have the options to use alternate options of the raw material. So a feed miller must have the options in his feed machines that he can use each and every raw material as per his requirement and the availability. So if I talk about the cooler, you can see this will provide the even distribution of the product. We completely eliminate the dead corners that create the non-uniform pressure and the non-uniform cooling. And really, we in the next month we are installing this cooler in a feed mill in Khanna. There are many advantages of this round cooler that can produce the good feed with uniform cooling. Even we can get the best cooling of 10 pellet up to its core inside. So that will helps the farmers to produce the hygienic feed with the minimum energy consumption. And for secondly, to use the alternate sources options of the raw material, we have the modifications, we have the provisions to change the hammer mill setting as per the grinding texture required and as per the texture of the raw material. For example, even our QGA technology hammer mill, we claim more than 85% breakage of the millet also. So we have that much options in our feed machines that a farmer can use the different raw materials as per the availability and the cost. And the third one is we are the only company in India that claim 23 to 24 units per ton par consumption on a poultry feed. I am talking about the pellets, and 21 to 22 units per ton of feed energy consumption in the cattle feed. So we have that much automation, the interlocking sequences, we use the high efficiency motors, the complete plant is automized with the interlocking sequences to reduce the energy wastage. And the design of machinery is like that, the torque, pressure and the flowability of the material, maximum we use the gravitational forces. So these three major challenges in the feed industry, we work on that in the last year, and we are very happy that we are getting very good response from the customers. And more than 600 potential visitors visited our booth in the last 3 days, and as per each year hoping a very good business, and we have a good interaction with the consultants, the nutritionists, and we share our knowledge, and it's very helpful for us and a good platform to all to participate in Poultry India. And like every year, next year we are very keen to participate again this event, and hoping a good result. And also organization is very good, but I just want to share one feedback regarding this event. Actually, this is a very crucial event, and the time of the exhibitors is very important, the time management and the management of the food. Even a high designated person have to spend 1.5 hours in the queue to get the food token and then to get the food. So we are losing very precious time. I also discussed with this the higher managements of these events that rest is very good, the response is very good, but that's the only thing that I realized that we must work on. I think from the 2009 we are participating in this event. Every year we are getting very good, very good. Year by year, as per the growth of the poultry, there is 7 to 8% growth of the poultry and the livestock each year. So we are getting very good response and hoping a great business. Yes, yes, definitely. We already booked the space for the next year, and we are very positive to participate in this event for the next year also. Thank you.